nice quiet little car. It makes noises.
It does. It reminds me of being 15 anymore.
Yeah, it's an investment, you know, everything's an investment. You know.
It's quick then.
Oh, that's nothing.
Oh, isn't it?
Oh, well, that was about quarter. Turn here.
Yeah. Does that hammer through the petrol though?
Yeah, well, it's on that E85, which is made from corn.
Oh.
And it's a fuel that runs cooler, so it means you can put more fuel in, which means you can put more air in and make more power.
You can go. Oh yeah, left goes to Macca's and he says right, didn't he?
Still filming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's the reaction. That's the one. Fastest car you've ever been in. Did you piss yourself a little bit?
I was having a seizure.
A little bit of wee come out.
That's so funny.
Isn't that insane? When I posted on Facebook it was a Lambo killer, I wasn't fucking around. Go home now? How do we go home?
Right. Oh my god, I thought you were going to lose control.
No. That wasn't even full throttle either.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the straight home. Your head gets sucked against the seat. That's the sound.